How you doing, boss?
Department Officer Brewster, just to let you know you recorded on my body camera, right?
Okay.
You have your license, registration, insurance on that?
Yes, sir. Any reason why you put him over?
Yeah. We're doing a speed enforcement out here tonight, okay? You were
Okay.
doing 40 and a 25.
I was doing 40.
Yeah.
I was literally cruising.
Sorry?
I said there was no way I was doing 40. I was literally just cruising.
Well, down here we have an officer doing radar, so that's who caught you doing 40. You have your registration insurance?
Oh, yeah. Not bad. I'm sorry, boss. I literally...
Huh?
I'm sorry, boss. I literally didn't even know. I'm literally just trying to go home.
Alright.
Here you go. They both in there.
Sure.
They both should be in there.
You in a rush?
No, I'm not. That's the thing. When you said I was speeding, I'm more confused. I was literally just cruising. Honestly, I'm sitting there eating a little Pop-Tart. Like.
Alright, man. Give me 1 second. Let me not
no
get
problem.
some paperwork wet, alright?
Alright, thank you.
So you on the job?
Nah, I literally just got off work.
Oh, you a firefighter or?
No, my parents are.
Alright.
Yeah, and I got somebody in service too
Alright,
as well.
man. Listen, this is what I'm gonna do, man. You gotta slow down, alright?
No problem.
Alright? Because it's raining too and all of that. That's why we're out with the kids. We're having a lot of
No, I
complaints.
definitely understand,
right?
yeah.
Alright, here's all your information.
Appreciate
right?
it. Thank you. You have a good night. No ticket, we out.